Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to get premium shipping on AliExpress. So it's very simple when you're about to check out. Okay, so let me open some product and proceed to checkout page. You just have to look for option, shipping options basically. So enter shipping section right here, and if you see here arrow next to it, that's perfect. Tap here and you will see options that seller can provide you, different shipping options. Unfortunately, as you can see, I have here only free shipping, that's regular shipping. But sometimes you can see here standard shipping and also premium shipping. But if you don't see it right here, as I have in my case, that usually means that seller doesn't support premium shipping for this item. So your only option, your best option will be to try a different store or different product. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.